All right, so I promised you guys an update once we had all of our trades closed out. All right, so ended up closing 0.96% profit, $13, just over $13, 298 pips. Now, we only took 90.96% profit. I wanted to take 3 to 4%, but looking at the price on the New Zealand CAD, I saw a stall happening, and the candlesticks were showing me that there was potential for this to shoot back up. So I closed out my trades, and you can see where the actual closing was right here, right on that little arrow. And the same thing on the Aussie CAD with the stall here and the potential for the upside when it came to technical trading. So it didn't have anything to do with news or anything like that. But technically speaking, it looks like there was going to be a pullback, which is actually looking like it's happening right now. All right, these are the pound Canadian dollar trades that were closed out a little bit earlier than the ones that I just closed out a few minutes ago. I accidentally closed these ones out as well when I closed out the New Zealand CAD and Aussie CAD trades. Um, these were two good buys on the pound CAD, but it was a mistake for me to close them out. It just happened when I closed out all the other trades, and so a bit of an error on my side. But that's okay. We'll have more opportunities in the next 24 to 48 hours, so it's not a big deal at all. All right, so that's it. There's the trades there, and you can see the account that has 127,000. The profit on that one was 0.59%, $751, 182 pips. So I was able to squeeze out a bit more profit on this account as well, which leaves me now to a total of $5,465, just over the last 2 months, and 2 months in 1 week. So not going too bad on this account. All right, so I wanted to talk about one more thing before I go, and I'm also going to do another video probably tomorrow as well, which I'll make a bit longer. I just wanted to thank everybody for staying with me during this high drawdown period. This is a big event with the Canadian dollar. The tariffs on Canada were substantial. To me, almost on the level of what Brexit was for the pound. And so it's nice to know that my strategy can handle an event, that it can weather the storm of something so big like this. So it gives me more confidence leading into going into the future that my strategy can weather another storm like this, and something that was so substantial on a currency that I'm trading on 3 different pairs. So that gives me peace of mind, and I hope that it will for you as well. Um, and until tomorrow's video, I think that's what I'm going to leave you guys with. Thanks so much for your support, for watching, and staying with me, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.